Vastu tips. For east side, it should be entrance, living room, open space, bathroom, guest room, and study room in each face. The center should be open space, nothing to be kept there. Light, air, and plant should be kept there. West, dining room, overheat, water tank, child's bedroom, study room, toilet, septic tank should be kept in west. North. North can be also entrance, but north should be left open space. It can be sometime living room. Treasure money should be kept in north, and bathroom should be kept in north. South mostly bedroom, staircase, block, storeroom, closed or less open space. So northeast entrance of a temple or a temple you can keep. A living room can be or a balcony, veranda, underground water tank, or an open space. Northwest guest room, children bedroom, dining, granary, toilet, septic tanks, and parking. Southwest, also master bedroom should be always in southwest. Cash cupboard in southwest. Wardrobe should be southwest. Heavy items, staircase, blocks, overheat, water tank should be in southwest. In southeast, kitchen should be there. Dining should be west. Kitchen should be southeast. Electric meter should be southeast. Generator should be southeast, and storeroom should be southeast.